Russia is known as one of the countries with the strongest military in the world. Not only are they supported by quality soldiers, they also have a lot of qualified weapons and combat equipment. Not only are they used by their own soldiers, some of them are also exported to other countries that are really interested in them. Of the many, one of them is the Mi-171Sh helicopter. Quoting information from the Eurasian Times page, Friday, the 17th of February 2023, the Russian-owned defense company Rosoboronexport announced that it would soon sign a new export contract despite the middle of a war with Ukraine. The most modern version of the Mi-17 military helicopter with improved flight and operational characteristics, high survivability and flight safety, and a powerful and well-aimed armament complex. The Mi-171Sh military transport helicopter is designed to carry out the delivery of manpower, the transportation of cargo and materials in the cargo cabin or on external slings, as well as for the deployment of tactical troops, the landing of reconnaissance and sabotage groups, and the destruction of ground objects. The helicopter can be operated for medical evacuation, delivery of emergency medical health care on board, provision of search and rescue missions in combat conditions. The Mi-171Sh has high transportability, can be used effectively in special operations, is self-contained, and has off-the-hangar storage capability.